Hey everyone, subscribers, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. New viewers, you guys gotta subscribe. Tonight we're continuing our Mr. B drinks with a strawberry margarita from scratch. So a couple of things just to be aware of. This is strawberry puree that I made myself. It's fresh strawberries, and you can either use sugar or honey and just blend it up till it becomes liquefied. Okay, we're gonna use that in the recipe. We're gonna go straight into a blender to get everything put together. So, blender. Can't be a margarita without tequila, so we need 3 ounces of tequila. This happens to be Jose Cuervo, but you know, if you got some more fancy stuff, the better, the smoother it will be. In addition to that, I have 2 ounces of lime juice, and I have 1 ounce of simple syrup. And the simple syrup is, remember, 1:1 sugar to water. I also use 2 teaspoons of vanilla. This isn't traditional, it's just something I like to do. It takes a little bite off of it. That's 2 teaspoons. And then I have some fresh lime juice. It's about 3 ounces. You could also substitute lemon juice if you don't have lime juice. But traditionally it's lime juice. Last, that's that cup of strawberry puree. That's what's going to get us our strawberry flavor. All right, as you can see, I've gone ahead and added some ice. That's just to help chill it. I'm not making it frozen. If I was making it frozen, I'd fill the whole thing up with ice. And we're just going to pulse it until we get it smooth. So I've blended that up. You can see, like I said, this isn't frozen. If it was frozen, it'd be a little thicker. I'm putting this into a martini glass or an up glass. I've rimmed it with sugar. You guys have seen me do that before. Lime wedge or lemon wedge around the edge. This is just straight table sugar. It's really easy to serve. All you do is pour your drink in. Like I said, I don't consider that frozen, so you are more than welcome to put ice in there if you so choose. I've got a strawberry that there we go, had to find the slice on the rim, and then a lime wedge slice on the rim. That's all there is to it, guys. Easy as it gets. And like I said, if you want to keep it cool, feel free to put a little bit of extra ice cubes in, and you can thin it a little bit too with water if you so choose. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video. Let me know what alteration substitutions you do. And as always, take care. Peace.